Hello, welcome to Jasmine Jessie. Hope you are well. Let's talk about Giloy plant. Nature is full of wonders, beautiful mountains, mysterious oceans, and plants that have too many benefits to count. Most of these beneficial plants and herbs are still hidden from the human eye in the profound depth of nature. However, many have been discovered by mankind over the year, and saying we are thankful for them would be an underestimate. One of those magical herbs is Giloy, a common household name that has been blessing us with its advantage for year now. It may come as a surprise to you, but growing Giloy at home is very easy and with tons of benefits. That is has it is a great idea. You can easily find Giloy among indoor plant for sale at both offline and online nurseries. However, taking care of the plant can be a little tricky. So let's take a look at the fascinating benefits of this plant and how to grow and take care of the little fellow. Astonishing benefits of Giloy, full of antioxidant. One thing that you must know about Giloy is that is the full of antioxidant. The plant is full of flavonoids and polyphenols that allow it to help people with severe health benefits. Has substances that help with cancer, diabetes, and neurological problems. Giloy is full alkaloids, terpenoids, and lignans that support people's fight against chronic disease. These compounds of the plant help with other various disorders as well. Effective impact of dengue fever. One of the most dangerous effects of dengue is platelets decreasing, and that it what dengue helps with consuming giloy during dengue can help you improve your immunity and help you increase the platelets count, control blood sugar level, which roughly translate to anti-diabetic. Hence, regular consumption of giloy can control blood sugar level, help with anxiety. If you feel anxious and have mental stress in any way, then taking giloy regularly can help you a lot. Control blood sugar level. The first option is to grow the plant from seeds. First, buy a great quality seed from any nearby nursery, then take a seed starting mix that is full of natural fertilizers. Sow the seed in the soil, place the small pot in bright sunlight, and mist the plant on a regular basis. You will notice that the seed will sprout in 10 to 15 days. Don't lose hope. Once the seeds sprouted enough, you can transfer the plant into big pot as per your liking. If getting seed is not an option for you, or you already have a plant at your home, simply cut off the 6 to 7 inch long stem from the plant before cutting. Make sure that the stem is full of the leaf nodes and make a clean 45-degree cut. Plant the stem in soil full of fertilizer in a pot. Keep the pot in a place where there plenty of indirect yet bright sunlight, and water the plant daily. Once you notice that leaves are sprouting, from the plant. Wait for almost 10 days and slowly get it out in the bright sunlight. Now I will tell you taking care of a Giloy plant in this video: water, sunlight, soil, and climate. Grow your yeah, its botanical name is Tinospora cordifolia. In well drained, nutrient rich soil with 5 to 7 hours of bright indirect sunlight. Water only when the top layer of soil feels dry. Provide a sturdy trails or boundary fancy for this rapid growing heart. Leaved vine to climb. Essential care tips. Sunlight. Glow thrives in warm tropical climate like Lahore, and it needs 5 to 7 hours of bright indirect sunlight. Daily protect it from harsh, scorching direct sun when it is first establishing. Watering. Giloy wine are broad tolerant and don't need a lot of water. Wait for the top couple of inches of soil to dry out completely before watering deeply. Overwatering causes root rot. During winter, watering once every 3 days is sufficient. Soil. The plant flourishes in well drained, loamy soil with a pH of 5.5 to 7. A good potting mix consists of standard garden soil mixed with organic compost of or manure. Fertilizer. It requires minimal feeding. You can enrich the base with a light organic fertilizer like linseed cake or well rotted manure once a month during its growing season. Pruning and sport. As a vigorous climber, it needs a strong physical support such as trails, balcony railings, or nearby tree to scale. Pruning helps promote bushier, denser vine growth. If you are like our videos, kindly like and subscribe us and push the bell icon for more new informative videos. Happy gardening. Stay happy. Thanks for watching.